outside.
All right, 10-4. Ladies and gentlemen, he wants us to blend in with the dance party going on next door, so do me a favor, stay seated. Don't put on your 3D glasses because no one in here got a pair. This is the only way to hide 170 people. Now, I don't know how to dance very well, so if there's any dance moves you can do while sitting down, please don't hesitate. It's for your safety, ladies and gentlemen. We need to see them. All of the dance moves. All right, let's blend in.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Liam, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm like...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got you. It's like that. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out. Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Okay.
It's about to get real interesting.
Oh, no.
My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Roman, I need you and Letty ready to roll.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, here's our plan. They are going to take care of the problem as we hide in this abandoned parking structure, so please, no sudden movements or flash photography. Stay seated, hang on to your belongings, and put on your protective 3D glasses. Put on those 3D glasses. I don't know what's going to happen in here. So we need to make sure that we are as safe as possible. Oh, I hope they don't find us.
Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime!
Ladies and gentlemen, was that Fast and Furious or what? Let's hear it! coolest thing I've ever done.
Well, good job, everybody. You protected the witness, and you can resume breathing.
That was crazy. You guys were mine.
Now, my Mona Lisa got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
That's what I'm talking about! Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, with that high-octane explosive finale, you have officially survived Garrett's tour. You guys are all movie experts. Give yourselves a round of applause. Oh yeah. Let's keep that applause going for Jose, our writer. Thank you, Jose. My name is Garrett. I have been your tour guide today. Thank you so much for coming on board. I have one last present for you. Take a look to your right. A beautiful view of the real Hollywood, folks. You got Warner Brothers down there. ABC Studios is that beige and green building. This valley is where a lot of your favorite movies and TV shows come to life. So thank you for taking time out of your day to visit me here at the tour. If you have any questions for me, if you want to come up and get a high five, come say hello. I'll be hanging out off to the left by our studio directory and the blue bins where you're going to return your very stylish 3D glasses. I got some news. You have until 10 o'clock tonight to get back in that theme park and have some fun. I recommend downloading the official Universal Studios Hollywood app. It's going to give you wait times on rides, show times for shows. I can tell you, the next Waterworld Life Tour Spectacular show is at 12:30. Don't miss it. It's totally worth it. But before all that, let's give a big round of applause to Universal Studios Hollywood for over 100 years of movie magic. And whatever you decide to do for the rest of your day, whether you grab a picture in front of the Hollywood sign or get some lunch, please watch your step. Don't forget your belongings. But most important, enjoy the rest of your stay here at Universal Studios Hollywood, entertainment capital of Los Angeles. We gotta wait for them to open the gates, ladies and gentlemen, but that is a wrap on you today.